This is the quick start programming procedures. So we will move our switch to program. We will set the date. We'll do 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the date, and 2 numbers for the year. Today's date is the 17th of June, so it is 061726. After that, press the subtotal no cell, and that places the date. For the time, it uses a 24-hour time clock, and the time right now is 11:58 a.m. So we will do 11:58 quantity time, and that saves the time. We want to program this to have 2 decimal places. To do that, press 1, 2, void. Set the tax rate. Where we are, the tax rate is 9.875. So to do the tax rate, do 1 tax rate and type in the 4-digit. For me, it's 9875 or 9.875%. 9875, and then press amount 10. We will have the register accept 0 price. To do that, press 1, 8, void. We are assigning department number 1 as taxable items. To do that, we will type 001 for tax rate 1. Check 000 for the price of 0, and then press 1. That registers 1 as the tax department. For non-tax departments, we press 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, check. And then the 3 zeros for it to be the price of 0, 1, 2, 3. Then press the department keys you wish to assign it to. In this case, for me, 2. And then repeat this procedure for all departments you wish to not have tax. Now that is basic programming.